Very nice. Very nice restaurant reservation. Alright, so we are packed up. We are in the car. We're going to pick up Jen and Narciso. And then we are headed up to Long Beach to catch the cruise ship. So, super excited. Just really sad that we're leaving Ethan behind. But I'm really excited because this is Andre's very first cruise. And so whenever you take someone on their first cruise, it's always fun to experience that like joy and the excitement. And then this is Jen and Narciso's second cruise. If you saw our videos from last year, they went and did a cruise with us last year. So it's gonna be a lot of fun.
I think they are.
I think they've been anxious. They've
been not ready since like 9
I think Jen was finished packing like 2 weeks ago.
A month ago. She started packing a month ago.
We got everybody. We're all packed up.
Ready to go.
There's about 4,000 people getting on this boat, and it took us about an hour to get checked in. One of the nice things when we sail with Carnival or Princess is that we have priority check-in, but this is only my third cruise on NCL. It was kind of cool. As we were getting on the boat, the captain was out there probably talking to security about how many people still need to get on the boat. So we got a quick little photo video with him.
Okay.
It's a good thing another passenger didn't come out of there, you know? Pretty cool, huh?
The ladder, that's where. Okay?
Well, that's cool. What do you say, Aiden?
Thank you.
So we just registered the kids for Splash Academy, which on the Norwegian cruise line is basically the kids camp. So it's pretty cool. That's what we're doing. We're checking out the kids camp. And we're doing a quick little tour of this kids camp, which is really, this is the biggest kids camp I think I've ever been on any cruise ship. You know, when I was a kid, kids camp was basically like the buffet. That was about all it was. Today was hectic. We drove up from San Diego, and we left San Diego late. It's only about a 2-hour drive from San Diego to Long Beach, where the cruise port terminal is. Long story short, we got here a little late, but it was fine. But it was packed. Terminal was packed. There's like 4,800 guests on the ship this week. So I got on the boat. As soon as we got on the boat, we got something to eat, and then it was time for the muster drill. If you're not familiar with the muster drill, that's basically the lifeboat drill that everybody has to do every time you take a cruise. We finished the muster drill, the lifeboat drill, and then we got our suits on. The kids got their suits on. We went up to the pool area, hung out up there for a little bit, and then we explored the ship, walked around. But right now it's about 7:30. We're gonna take the kids, grab them something to eat, and then we're gonna go drop them off at the kids club around 8. And then we have dinner reservations at 8:30. And we're gonna play it by ear, see what happens this evening. But so far, so good. Everything's great. We've been, this is my 3rd NCL cruise, but it's been like 14 or 15 years since I've been on an NCL ship, so it's totally different than before. My friend a lobster over there. A lobster tail for him.
They're like, Jesus, these women never get out. We ordered the whole menu. They're like, how are they going to eat all of this?
Oh man. So we dropped the kids. We dropped the kids off at camp. They're happy, and we're having a nice, peaceful, adults-only dinner.
I'm surprised that I
here at Ocean Blue. And we just ordered like one of everything off the menu. Narciso asked for a little extra lobster, but he said, no, I gotta charge you. Jennifer asked for a little extra. No problem. Whatever you want, ma'am. You want extra? We'll give you 2 of them.
I give you anything you want, man.
San Diego. All Anglos are like, we live in San Diego, and Erika, it's San Diego, San Diego, which of course is Hispanic for a whale's vagina. Some people know the movie. Excellent. Well, nice to meet you, Erika the Mexican. And what do you do? What is your job?
I'm an
I'm sorry?
immigration attorney.
You're an immigration attorney? Do you work with Romanians who like balls by any chance? Because I haven't. You're a Mexican immigration attorney? Wow! Your Honor, they deserve to be in this country. Why? Because it's my family. Please. Or I'm sorry, hi cinco? I don't care if you take me, just tag me in the video. What I love is Erika. Is this your man right here?
Yes.
Yes, I know. What's your name?
Alex.
Alex. Latino too?
No.
No.
Well, half.
Half?
50-50.
50, so you're Spanish?
My dad's from Mexico. My mom's from Canada.
I'm sorry?
My dad's from Mexico, my mom's from Canada.
Your dad's from Mexico, your mom's from Canada? Wow, really shitty borders. Sorry, this is... It was going fine until Baldner started yelling, And then the whole fucking train went off the goddamn rails. Well, nice to meet you, Alex and Erika. Oh, that's so sweet. And are you two on the anniversary? Is that it? Or is it two of you? Or was the anniversary? It's two of you. Oh, the woman, like, I'm not saying a fucking word. I'm seeing what you're doing. We'll get to you guys in a minute. Well, nice to meet you guys. Congratulations. You guys look very, very happy. Latino. Oh, I love hanging out, guys.
That was good.
Thank you very much. Yeah! It's Alex right here. And Erika.
Oh, so we finished dinner. We had a great dinner. Did you like the dinner? Did you guys enjoy the dinner? Uh-oh. Did you enjoy the comedy? The comedian was really good. Really good. He was funny. Really funny. So, what are we going to do now?
We're gonna party.
More drinks? More fun?
More Modelo.
So we had a great time. The comedy club was really funny. My expectations were very low, but the comedian was very good. So we're at the casino now, as you can tell, and we're gonna go pick up the kids soon at kids camp, and then we'll probably go to bed and call it a night. We had a great dinner at Ocean Blue. We had a great night at the comedy club. The comedian was like super funny, so it was like really. We didn't realize that like we had to make reservations to get tickets, and so we were just on the standby list. So when we got into the lounge for the casino, or for the comedian, like the only seats available were in the front. So we sat right in the front, and of course he like picked on all of us and made fun of us, but it was fun.
Good night.
Buenas noches. Good first night. Go do your business, Jaden. See you guys. Have a good night. It's been real.
Say good night.
It's been real property. It's been real property manager Narciso.
Narciso.
Narciso, the property manager. See you guys.
Good night. I'll see you in the morning.